If you want some another night, just let me know.
Yeah, it does. She's flying us out. How is it, everyone? Down here with Jamsta James. Taking a little mini break from the ocean shore for the golf course style shore. We have the funniest rigs going on today. These little baby mini pole things. Got sent to us to sample out, so James and I both have. Here's a nice piece. Have one. I'll chum it a little bit too. Banger. That didn't work at all. And now I'm stuck. This doesn't work at all.
No, you gotta like...
Yeah, it might just be best to dip it, dude. Oh, my bait fell off already, bro. Yeah, that also didn't really work.
Yeah, that also didn't work.
This is hard. There we go. Alright, that was terrible, but it's alright.
There you go.
Nice, yours was good.
They're kicking it out.
Oh, mine isn't even in the water, dude. James is actually getting hits.
Oh!
Reel it in, dude, you go!
I don't know.
Do you have one?
Oh no!
Oh no!
On the net.
Are you dangled on the net?
I'm dangled on the net.
No, James. You can't dangle that soon.
No, the fish did that to me.
Oh, you got it all back.
Woo.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, you did get it all back, you champion. Dude, this is really hard. We got these sent to us. We got actually 8 of these, so this is going to be our sample day. We're thinking of doing a little challenge later on where all the brothers go down to the shore and see who can catch the biggest fish using one of these. There we go. Oh, nice cast, dude. How'd you get yours out there so far?
I like walked out all the way over there, so it had a lead.
Oh.
I think I caught something.
Oh, you did? Did you?
I don't know.
If so, it's barely even. James might have something right now in this little pole.
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so.
No, you did!
Oh!
James has a fish with his little baby pole! Yeah, James! Oh, you gotta scrap this
fighting him, bro! Fighting! Oh, dude, it's one huge one!
Oh, dude! Let me get down there and get it up for you. Yeah! James actually caught something. Ew!
Yeah!
Gross! Yeah, James, you champion.
Yeah!
Dude, James fish. Haha, yeah.
What is that?
I don't know. I have no idea, honestly. I don't know anything about freshwater fish. Shoots, buddy.
Yes,
nice, dog.
She works.
Yeah. That was so funny. I had to try the James method out then.
I like rested on the ground and then I just
stretched it out?
Yeah, stretched it out and I literally just throw the float.
Oh, that's smart. I'm gonna do that too.
Throw them out there.
And then just throw it. Nice, dude. You actually got one. It actually pulled a little bit of drag and all. There we go. Oh, I almost threw my pole into the water too. All right, let's go. That's way better idea, dude. That worked 1,000 times better. Oh, I got a hit too. Oh, I got another hit, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, things are just nibbling it. I think they're attacking the bobber itself, honestly. Oh yeah, I got one. Yeah, little fish coming in. Oh. Oh, here we go. Oh, oh, it's got scrap, dude. Oh. Oh, I think it came off.
Did it?
Yeah, let it come off.
Oh.
Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, I did. It came off and now I got a piece of like poop on there.
Ew.
Damn, dude, what was that? Oh, that's something sick, dude.
Oh, got some.
Oh, it's James' turn. You totally do.
No.
Don't let it get stuck, James. Yeah, James, you got the technique, dude. Just throw it. Oh, that was terrible. I got it stuck on me. Oh,
Oh, what was that?
I think I had it stuck a little bit. Yeah. Well, my bait's gone though. There we go. Yeah, dude. You gotta reel it so slow.
Right?
Oh, I got a fish chasing it.
I'm like trying to let I'm trying not to toss it as hard.
There's some huge fish right here in front of James and I. Oh, see if you can just dip it in front of its face. Dude, he doesn't care at all. He's sleeping?
Looks like it. It's like not even nudging.
He doesn't care in the least, dude. You're like rubbing it on him.
Yeah. Maybe they're bottom feeders.
Yeah, they could just be sucking algae. James got a fish on. Is it still on?
I hope so.
You're reeling reel backwards, dude.
Am I?
Yeah, you're holding it upside down. You gotta pull that line out before it gets dangled forever. Okay, I'm using the James patented J cast. The ultimate in casting techniques for one of these. Developed over one generation of Jamesings. J cast. Perfect, dude. That's gonna be the one, bro. That was a perfect J cast. Dang, it got dark pretty fast, dude. I'm not sure when this video will be put out, but yesterday was when the volcano started going to the full eruption effect, where the actual calderas like mini exploded and just blasted out tons of gas and ash and fumes and steam and stuff, and that has made it extraordinarily foggy. So even though it would probably have a little bit of sunlight normally, there's so much fog that it's just getting dark early. Oh, you got a bite. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you. James is another one, the champion. Bruh. You freak of fishing nature.
Wow, this is my calling.
Oh.
Oh, pen fish. Oh, dangle.
No, I don't know. I think I got one. I don't know, dude. Maybe not. No, I don't. Okay, let's check yours out real quick. It's like the same kind as the last one.
Yeah, smaller.
Unhook them. Barbless hooks, guys. Oh, I do. Ooh. Shoots, buddy.
Yeah, I just throw it in front of these little schools of.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. There you go.
I think I got one, dude.
Okay.
Wait, no.
No? Oh, I got skinny peas.
I think so, yeah. Nope. Maybe? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same kind as you, dude.
Bro, those guys love bread.
Woo! Okay, I didn't get skunked on our little mini. Yup.
You guys are the stars of the show right now.
I know, these things are just all about bread. Little quarter shaka fishing, half a shaka. Shoots? Yeah.
That's so dope.
You pooped on me. Hey.
Oh, yum.
Only one I catch. Drops a
Only one I
deuce
catch.
right on me. Oh, you caught me, bro. Drop a deuce.
Drop a deuce. Do-do-do.
Did a deuce. Seem to have that little area they like to hit in, like
Yeah.
not even that far out, yeah?
Yeah. I've just been casting right here.
All right, guys. Back in action. Camera small kind died for a second there. Had to go get another battery from my truck. Oh, fish on, dude.
Fish on?
Yeah. It hardly even knows that it's got a hook in it. Yeah, get over here, you.
Yeah. Well, same kind too.
Another one of these.
Wow, these guys need to calm down.
A little bit bigger than my last one.
Oh, it's Prego.
It is Prego. Outskis. Oh, I got time for like one more, dude.
Yeah.
Looks like it's the last cast, guys. Let's get the biggest fish. Little baby fish is nibbling on mine.
Those are the meat stealers.
Baby fish. Oh, right by the tube. Next time we'll go try out that other side where it's all weedy. Whoa! Whoa, James! Yeah! Dude, that pulled drag a little bit. Another one. Someone tell us what these are. Look at that, brah.
Yeah.
Bringing them in. Perfect hook set. Boop.
Oh, it's been confirmed. These guys can catch
Yeah, right?
if need be.
For real kind about the last cast. Oh, almost had that tangled up. That would have sucked. Well, dude, confirmed these work.
Yeah.
Now it's just time for the challenge video, man.
Yeah. Now we gotta take them to the beach.
Yeah, you catch like a kupipi on this, dude, it'd be crazy.
Crazy.
Okay, for real, last cast, brah. Oh, you got the last fish?
Is it? No.
Ooh, call it then. Well, that was sick, dude.
Yeah, that was sick. We got like 4 or 5 fishes.
4 or 5 little fish. It's official, our little rods can handle. Challenge video is officially on.
But only me and you can know about the J style.
Yeah, only us can know the J cast. Everyone else has to figure it out by themselves.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, well, point proven.
Yeah, these buggers work.
These buggers work. Fishing rod pins, dude. These things are action, little guys. So we're gonna get together with a bunch of the boys and do a full-on little shoreline. Who can catch the biggest fish with the littlest rod challenge.
So definitely freshwater approved. Now we're gonna try them in the saltwater. Hopefully it doesn't break.
Yeah, now that we've used it and then we got one video out of it, we can use it in the saltwater and have them get shredded by a little papillo or something.
Yeah, hopefully not.
Smoked once.
If not, we're gonna have to reinforce them with some bamboo or something.
Right on.
But
Sheets.